Now get on your computer.
To destroying our civilization. They say the pandemic, climate change, and the rising threat of nuclear.
You get one shot at making it a
coronavirus pandemic. This is a bold
win thing.
Hip replacement on a Tiger. Very new. On a Tiger. How do you do a hip replacement on a Tiger?
Amendments for 21st century living. Join us on A New Beginning.
Listen each and every weekday morning at 7.
1.8 million in the past several days for charitable organizations.
Inconvenience is going northbound on I-220.
Chairman Sanders Apparel.
Nosotros reaccionamos. Es precisamente en la Feria de la Vanidad.
Cloudy skies. Accumulation though with a low of 32 degrees. Then tomorrow that slight chance for you all. Download this game for free from the App Store.
He has been a key part of the nucleus of a team that is off to an adequate start. 9-9, you're not going to write any post.